Hi, let me show you how to scan documents to PDF on Samsung Galaxy A36. For that, we got two ways. The first one is with just Samsung camera. So, just take document you want to scan and point the camera at this document to see this small T button, orange T button. After that, it will scan your document, which you can copy, add to notes, scan again, and basically save by tapping the Save button. Now it is saved to your gallery, but as you can see, we can capture only one page with this way. And to save it in PDF, I suggest you to tap on three dots, then go in Print. Here choose Save as PDF, tap on the icon and select where you want to store those files. And after that, they will be saved in PDF. But we captured just one page, but what if you want to capture more? For that, let me just show you this app, which is called CamScanner. So you can install it from Play Store. This is how it looks. Now, after opened, you just need to accept some permissions as well as camera. Tap on the camera right here. And if you want to capture not only one page but more, then select the batch option right here. After that, you can just point the camera at the document, hit this camera shutter button, and then just continue capturing pages, and here you'll see the number of pages. This is how it will look. So we can compare. As you can see, it's really making it like scanned documents. So this is like it was before, and this is the result. Now we can tap the arrow right here and it will be saved to app. You can tap on share and you can share it via Gmail, for example. But first, let's remove watermark. Nope, we need to skip those paid options, so we cannot remove the watermark. So you can also use this option, Save to Gallery. And then from Gallery, just tap on Print again and save as PDF. Also, you can choose to export each page as PDF and choose where you want to export. So now, as I said before, you can tap on Print, tap Save as PDF, and then save it to your Files app. After that, you can just open this Files app, find the right folder, and choose with the help of which app you want to open this scanned document. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.